morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes children. Now here today we are going to start the new topic in the grammar. As you people know that we have already completed has, have and hand, had, with that the holiday scene also. Yes children, today we are with the new topic and you can open page number 51 in your textbook. And the name of the topic is making questions. Making questions. So what is this making question? When we want to ask about something, the thing which is we are not finding or where it is, or somebody has come to our house, or we want to go somewhere, or if you want to know the names of some things, then we use the question words. What we use? We use the question words. Now you think if the person is very tall, then we say, how tall is he? How tall is he? Now you don't know what is the name of that person. Then you ask, what is your name? You don't know the age of the person. Then you ask, how old are you? If the person is going somewhere outside, then you ask, where are you going? Where are you going? If somewhere when you are in the crowd something has happened, then you are discussing it with your friend. Then the another person will ask you, when did it happen? Means what? When did it happen? So like this way we use questions, question words to form the question to know what things have happened. So here you can see we don't know the place where we are moving or where that place comes. Then we ask all the people, where is this place, where is that place, who is that man, how old are you, what is your name, why are you crying, if the person is crying, he is not feeling well. Then to know the reason, you ask them, why are you crying. So we use all these question words. Yes, these are called as what? Question words. Then we use these words to ask questions. So first point I will tell you what are question words. Here, what, when, who, why, where. These words are called as what? Question words. What, who, where, when, why. These words are called as what? Are called question words. These are called as what? Question words. What are they, children, here? What, when, who, why and when. What means what? If you want to know something about that person, about his nature, about his age, about his name, then we use what. What are you doing? What is your name? What is your age? So we use the what. No. The next when. When andre yavaga. When did it happen? When did you come? We use when. When is your birthday? When is your party? When did you have arranged your party? To know about the day, to know about the thing, where it is, when it is, then we use what? When. Who? Who means the person who is unknown to us. ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವಸ್ತು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು? Who is at home? If no one is there in the home, you ask who is there at the cottage? Who is there in the home? Who is inside the room? When we don't know, when we want to know who is there inside, then we use the word who. Why? If we don't know why the person is crying, we don't know why the person is sad, then we to know the reason, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವೈ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್? ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್? ವಿ ಸೇ ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್? ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್? ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್? ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್? ವೈ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್? We use why to know the reason what problem the person is facing. Next is what? Where. Where andre enu? Where is your house? Where is this place? Where are my shoes? Where is my cupboard? Where are my things? Then we use ellada. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಾಮಾನು ಅದ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ವಸ್ತು ಅದ, ಈ ಊರು ಎಲ್ಲದ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್, ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ every question starts with the capital letter and ends with the question mark. Every question starts with the capital letter and ends with the question mark. With the question mark. What is question mark? This is called as the question mark. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Question mark ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರೆದಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ it begins with the capital letter. With what letter? With the capital letter, and it ends with the question mark. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ತದ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ABCD, ದೊಡ್ಡ ABCD. ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್, ಹೂ, ವೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ questions. One more point there. Sentence that asks something. Sentence that asks something. Something are question words. Sentence that asks something are questions. Ask something are called questions. Yes, children. So first point in this, remember once again I will explain. What, when, who, why, where are question words. What are these? These words are called as what? Question words. ಈ words ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Question words anta karitivi. What we call question words. Every question starts with the capital letter and ends with the question mark. Whenever we write the question it starts with the capital letter and ends with the question mark. So here, sentence that ask something are questions. When we ask something to someone about something, then that sentence is called as a question. What we call that sentence? Question. ಯಾರಿಗಾರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಎದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆದರೂ ಏನಾರ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾರ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನಂತೀವಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. We say it as question. That question, that sentence is called as the question. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಜಿರಾಫೆ is a sentence. What is this? This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. Then this is what now? This is sentence. ಇದೊಂದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Normal sentence ಆಯ್ತು. Yes or no? Now to make this sentence as question, then what we use? What is that? What is that? Sentence. What is that? This is a giraffe. Next, Satish returns from school is a sentence. Who returns from school? See, I will write here. Satish returns from school. This is the sentence. Now this sentence I have to convert as a question. So what I have to do here? Who returns from school? The question is what here? Who returns from school? So after completing the question mark. This is first one, this is second. So first they have given the sentence. This is a giraffe. To change this, I use the word. What is that? This is a giraffe. Next, here, who returns from school? Satish returns from school. The one more sentence is here. Mumbai is in India. Mumbai. M capital because name of the city. Mumbai is in India. This is the sentence. Now I will change this sentence as the question. Yes. Now how to change it as the question, children? Here I will is, where is Mumbai? The question I used is what here? Where is Mumbai? Because I want to know where this place comes. So I use the what? Where. Now coming to the next. Here, that is fourth one. He reached home at 6 o'clock. Fourth one. He reached home at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. So here, now I want to change this sentence as a question, children. Yes. So I use here, when did he return home? When did he reached home? This is the question. When did he reached home? Yes. So like this way, we construct the sentence with the question words. If you want to know what is that, the thing is very far away from us, we don't know what is that. Then we say, this is a giraffe. This is a animal. This is a girl. Yes or no? Next. Who returns from school? Satish returns from school. Who returns from Bangalore? My dad returns from Bangalore. My dad returns from Bangalore. Or my dad returns from Bangalore. Next. Where is Mumbai is in India? Where is Mumbai? Where is Delhi? Where is Hubli? So like this way, when we want to ask where is the thing, then we use the word where question word. Next, he reached home at 6 o'clock. We want to know what time the person has reached the home, what time the boy or the girl has reached the home. Then we use that when did he reach home. What we use? We use that when did he reached home. So here children, I will show you some of the slides of this question words. So now, here you can see children, dash do you live? They have given the option who or where. So the answer is where do you live? Yes? So we want to know where this boy is living. So we use the question word where. Now coming to the next one. So here you can see children now, dash is your best friend. Who is your best friend? Dash would you like to drink? Dash is the capital of India. Which is the capital of India? Dash are you late to school? Why are you late to school? Dash is your shirt. Which is your shirt? Dash is your favorite food. What is your favorite food? Dash is your birthday. When is your birthday? Dash is my watch. Where is my watch? Dash did you get up this morning? When did you get up this? People know that we have already shown you the video slides children. Yes. Now here we will just solve the exercise. Yes, we will just solve the exercise. So what this definition was written on the board, the same, these all the 3 points should be written in your notebooks also. Yes. Now here you can see children, the question they have given, make questions from the following sentences. Make questions from the following sentences with the question word. Following sentences with the question words. So in bracket they have given what, who, when and where. What, who, when and where. Answer clue is provided. See down they have given answer. Answer clue is provided. So here, first one. Usha likes stories. Name of the person, U capital. Usha likes stories. Yes. In bracket, the word is given here what? Usha. What word is given here children? Usha. Usha is the word given in the bracket. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ Usha likes stories. Who likes stories? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ತದ? Who. What we have to use the word here? Who. The word we have to use is what here? Who is the question word. First letter W capital. Who likes stories? Now this sentence I have changed into question. So what I have to do, children, here? Question mark. What I have to give here? Question mark. Who likes stories? Second one here. The window is open. See, the window is open. Full point. Sentence it is. On the sentence of it. In bracket they have provided the clue window. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. This is the bracket. Now open. They have said the answer. The window is open. Option is what there? Window. Yes or no? So what will be the question word here, children? What? What is open? What is open? Question mark. First letter is capital W and at the last I have given the question mark. Yes. Now this is completed, children. Next. Third one. We sleep at night. Third is what here? We sleep at night. Sentence. Yes or no? This is a sentence. In bracket they have given the word night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ word ನಮಗೆ night. Night is given. So now when night is given, what we have to use the question word there? It is asking about the what you do. In Martri, at night what you do? They have asked the question. We sleep at night. We sleep at night. So the question word here is who sleeps at night? Who? Who is the question word? Who sleeps? Sleeps at night. The sleep will change into sleeps and here will be the question mark after completion of the question. Next, fourth one. Sita is at home. A girl is at home. Sita, S capital. Sita is at home. Full point. In bracket, the word is what there? In bracket, the word home. What they have given? Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Yes. So here the answer is Sita is at home. Sita is a girl. Somebody is there in home. When we want to ask, yaru dar maneyalli? Yaru. That is who. Who is at home? Who is at home? Question mark. Next. Fifth one. Fifth one is what? Mohan rides a bicycle. Name of the boy. What is the name of the boy? Mohan. Mohan rides the bicycle. This is the sentence. In bracket, the word is given what here? Mohan. What is the word given? name of the boy, that is Mohan. Mohan is given. Yes. So here the answer, Mohan rides the bike. A boy or a man, he can ride the bike. So the question word we use here what? Who rides a cycle? It is cycle. Who rides the cycle? Who, question word, rides the cycle? Question mark. Completed. Next. 6. Seema is reading. What is the answer here? Seema. Sentence. Name of the girl. Yes, capital. Seema is reading. Reading. It is the sentence. In bracket, they have given reading. What the girl is doing here? The Sita, she is reading. 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 Yes. So now we have to make a question of this word. Seema is reading. A girl is reading. When we want to make the question, we use their what? Who. Who is reading? Here comes what? Question mark. Next. 7th one. The horse is in the stable. The horse. T capital. The horse is in the stable. Sentence complete. In bracket, the word is given here, stable. What is given the word? Stable. Yes. Now, we have to make the question now. The horse is in the stable. Where? Where is the stable? Where is the stable? They have given the question there. Question ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Stable ತಗೊಂಡು question ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we know that horse is already in the stable. But now they have given the word stable. So we have to use the question word as where. Where is the stable? Stable question. Where is the stable? Question mark. So now here next one, children. Once I will read this. Usha. Usha likes stories. The name of the girl is what here? Usha. And she likes what? Stories. Who likes stories? They have given the name of the girl here, Usha. So we have to use the question word who. Who likes stories? The window is open. The question, they have given the word Q is what here? Window. So we have to use question word what. What is open? What is open? Yes? Usha likes stories. Who likes stories? The window is open. What is open? Next. We sleep at night. The clue word is given what here? Night. Night. Who sleeps at night? Who sleeps at night? Sita is at home. Clue word is what here? Home. Who is at home? Who is at home? Mohan rides the cycle. Who rides rides the cycle? Because the question word, the clue word is given what here? Mohan, name of the person. So we use who rides the cycle. Seema is reading. The girl name is what here? Seema. And what that girl is doing? She is reading. Who is reading? The question is what? Who is reading? The horse is in the stable. The clue word is given what here? Stable. Where is the stable? Where is the stable? We sleep at night. Who sleeps at night? Sita is at home. Who is at home? Mohan rides the cycle. Who rides the cycle? Seema is reading. Who is reading? The horse is in the stable. Where is the stable? Yes? Now here. Eighth one. Rahul is my brother. Eighth one. Name of the boy, R capital. Rahul is my brother. This is the sentence. And the clue word is given here what? Rahul. The clue word is given here what? Rahul. Rahul. So the answer we will write here. Who is Rahul? What we use the answer here? Who is Rahul, and this is the question. Next, ninth one. She went yesterday. She went yesterday. And the clue word is given what here, children? Yesterday. The clue word is given here. Yesterday. So the answer, see, she went yesterday. They have used the pronoun there. Yes? She went yesterday. When did she go? So the question word is what here? When. When did she go? When did she go? Children, you can see here the question is totally different from the sentence. She went yesterday. Here I have not used yesterday. Here I have not used went. Only I have taken she word here. The next is when did she go? When did she go? Next. 10th. London is in England. Name of the country, L capital. London is in England. Is in England. The answer is where? Where is? The clue word they have given is what here? England. Clue word is what here? England. Where is London? Where is London? Completed question. Yes. So here you can see that Rahul is my brother. I know Rahul is my brother. The unknown person he don't know. Then he will ask, who is Rahul? Next, she went yesterday. When did she go? London is in England. The clue answer is England. Where is London? Where is London? London is in England. Where is London? So these are the answers, children. We have completed this topic. Then you have to write all these notes in your notebook. In what then? With this, we have completed this grammar part, that is making question. When we want to raise a question, when we speak a sentence about asking something, then it is called as the question. We call it as the question, and we use the question words when, where, how, who, why and what. These are the question words we use to construct the sentence. Children, this, whatever this is taught, you have to write in your English notebook. In what? In your English notebook. Till then, thank you children. Have a great day. But write the notes with the neat handwriting and send me the photocopy. Thank you.